Hello students, welcome to Icon Tutorial. Myself Manoj Panda. Once again I will teach the class 10 CBSE first chapter. From the beginning I will start. Okay. So here this chapter is real number. Chapter 1 real number. So now in this chapter what we will discuss here, the real number. Before the real number some hints I am giving what are to teach. Here the real number system, natural number, whole number and rational number, irrational numbers, all play that is real number. Just I'm just flashback, I'm just telling previous part. Okay, so थोड़ा सा मैं पीछे से बोल दूंगा देखिए क्लास 6, 7, 8, 9 का थोड़ा सा जो नंबर सिस्टम के बारे में आप तुम लोग को मालूम था तो ये वाला मैं पढ़ाऊंगा. देखो तो ये रियल नंबर होता है क्या. तो रियल नंबर जो पहले तुमको मालूम है कि नेचुरल नंबर क्या होता है. नेचुरल नंबर n, तो दैट इज n इज इक्वल टू नेचुरल नंबर, राइट. n इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, नेचुरल नंबर, राइट. सो ये तुम्हें बोर्ड ठीक से दिखाई दे रहा है. मेरा बोर्ड ठीक से दिखाई दे रहा है कि नहीं. नेचुरल नंबर, वेरी गुड. ओके, ये दिखाई दे रहा है, ये है नेचुरल नंबर. तो n स्टैंड्स फॉर नेचुरल नंबर, दैट इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 1 2 3 onwards. So all counting numbers starting from 1, that is called natural number. Is it clear? All counting numbers starting from 1, that is called what? Natural number. So similarly whole number क्या होता है. That is a whole number. Write down. When I am writing, you write. When I am telling, you listen. When I am writing, you write. When I am telling, you listen. Like that. So this is a whole number. So whole number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This. This is your whole number, right? Next is integers. Z. Integers. So is it visible to all of you? Okay, I hope this is visible. Okay, because I am also watching. My camera is there, so I am also watching. Yes, it's visible. So integers. That integers, what is it? All negative and positive. All negative and positive whole numbers. That is called integers. Suppose like that. What? This is your minus minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, onwards. All positive, all negative whole numbers together is called what? That is integers. Clear? No doubt. Then Z, then Q. This is what? Q. Q stands for rational number. Rational number. Is it clear? Q stands for rational number. So rational number, what is rational number? Any number in the form of p by q. Any number in the form of p by q, that is known as rational number. Is it clear? Okay. So continue. Rational number. So rational number, that is a p by q form. P by q form. P by q form is, or you can, or a by b form, और m by n form. कुछ भी लिखो चलेगा. mn. So here I can write here where a belongs to z, b belongs to z. Where a belongs to z, b belongs to z. So when a belongs to z, b belongs to z, is it clear? A belongs to z, b belongs to z. So what is z? Z is no integers. That means a integer होना चाहिए, b integer लेकिन मतलब denominator but क्या लिखना है? But b is not equal to 0. यही है तुम्हारा. तो ये बोर्ड में साफ साफ दिखाई दे रहा है कि b is not equal to 0. तो जब b is not equal to 0, b is not equal to 0, in this condition the rational number is there. So next, this is clear. Now note down. Okay, now note down, I love it. Okay, so over, this is the rational number. Once again you tell it, all the natural numbers, what? Natural numbers, all the counting numbers are starting from 1. All the counting numbers are starting from 1 2 onwards. 1 2 3 4 5, these are the natural numbers, right? So next one is whole number. All the counting numbers and 0 together, that is called whole number. Then integers. Integers what? That is the all negative and positive whole numbers are called integers. Clear? Then rational number. What is rational number? The rational number is what? The number which is a form of p by q, where p is an integer, q is also integer, but the denominator q is not equal to 0. Example I am telling here. Here example I can write here. 1 by 2, the rational number. 5 by 6, also rational number. Then 0 by 6, also rational number. But 6 by 0, this is not rational number. Clear? 6 by 0 is not rational number because 6 by 0 is what? 6 by 0 is that is equal to denominator is coming 0, but we told that denominator is not equal to 0. So I hope this part completed. After that I will discuss once again, that is irrational number. Irrational number क्या होता है? Okay, तो ये ही है वीडियो. तो ये मैं कंटिन्यूअसली वीडियो कर रहा हूँ अपना सीरीज ऑफ वीडियोस, स्पेशली चैप्टर 1 रियल नंबर्स. तो small part videos I will make it. तो continuously you watch the video and definitely if you understood clearly, if आप लोगों को समझ में आया तो थोड़ा सा लाइक करो ना, हमें भी कुछ मजा आएगा, हमें बढ़ाने का और जोश आ जाएगा, एनर्जी मिल जाएगा कि हम बच्चे लोग चाहते हैं हमारा पढ़ाई, तो हम पढ़ेंगे, तो पढ़ाएंगे. ओके, तो कब खुशी कब आएगा? जब तुम्हें एनर्जी मिलेगा. तो एनर्जी कब मिलेगा? जब लोग तुम पर खुश होकर तुम्हारा काम पे मतलब वाह वाह करेंगे ना, तब जाके हमें एनर्जी मिल जाएगा. तो प्लीज गिव मी एनर्जी टू डू मोर वर्क, हार्ड वर्क, एंड डेफिनेटली यू विल बी बेनिफिटेड, आई विल बी बेनिफिटेड. ओके, थैंक्स इट. Thank you for watching this part. After this, I will start next part. All these parts, I 2-3 videos. I will do this. Okay. So YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. I will just send it, upload it. No problem. Okay.